Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix ShellExecuteEx Failed when installing or opening programs in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match, go with open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together and that would lead you to the settings, okay? Once you are here at the settings, directly proceed to the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Where here you need to look for an option called apps, click on it. And under the apps, you need to proceed with the second option, which is advanced app settings. Tap on it so that you would be able to continue. Okay, so at the very first of it, you can see there, choose where to get apps. Okay, aligning to that, you would be able to see an option where here you need to click this down arrow and click on anywhere. One of the factor that you have to face an error is that you have mistakenly or set it into the Microsoft Store only, okay? Which is the recommended one, but I would recommend you to go with anywhere so that you can install any program from any particular platform that you have installed the program, okay? Click on anywhere, on once done, close this window and try to run or install the program that you want to install as administrator. So do a right click and go with run as administrator and your role will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, and it will show you a new window where you can install the particular program that you want to install here in your Windows, which is this. Okay, in my case, okay? So that's the very first method that you can do. The second method that you can perform is if your problem doesn't fix, then here at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match, go with run as administrator. User account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running this window as administrator. Here you need to type three command text which are this and type the first which is sfc space forward slash scan now. Click on enter and it will do the system scan and this process will take some time. It might take for 5 to 7 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your computer. Okay. So we just have to put a lot of patience with it since definitely it will take some time, but it will be worth it since it will help you to fix the problem. Okay. Once done, proceed by typing the second, which is DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash ScanHealth. Again, this will take some time also, maybe 5 to 7 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your machine. Just have to put a lot of patience. Okay. Once you're done, type once you're done with the second, proceed by typing with the third and last command, which is DISM space online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Once done, click on enter and it will take some time also. You just have to put a lot of patience, okay? And once you're done with all of the steps, okay, please close the window and restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed earlier. Okay, restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, try to run or install again the program or application that you want to install here in your Windows. Okay, I'm sure it will be working this time. Okay, so those are the steps in how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.